want to supervise your rabbits to make sure there's enough fall-offs, and also to make sure one of them is not getting violent with the other. See how she's lifting her butt for him? That means she's cooperating. And that's fall off. Typically you want to aim for 3 of those. I usually let them do 4 or 5 for good measure, as long as they're getting along. Raises her butt again, and that was a quick one. So there's number 2. There you go, bud. See, she's not really lifting her butt on this one. She's kind of saying she's about through. There she goes. And there's number 4. And that's more than enough. And since she kind of resisted for a minute on that last one, I'm going to go ahead and get her out of here. That's enough, Sal. You done your job, bud. Oh, come here, Nellie. Oh, good girl.
To me, this looks like she's having contractions. She's pulling up quite a bit. Oh!
Well, we had 10 baby bunnies born last night. Doing well. This mother last time, her first time kenneling, only had 3 babies. 2 of them survived. This time we had 10, and they are all doing well. This is the doe that had the large bunch of babies. She had 11 of them in all. They are all doing well. Haven't lost any babies so far. These are all purebreds, as were the last group. They're about 24 days old now. They are doing well. They are on solid food. Still trying to get a little milk from mom. Hi guys. Hi guys. Come here. Just threw a little grass in there and they are enjoying it. There are 7 of them in here in all. She had 7 and did not lose any of them. Kept them all. And they're growing as they should.